Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video you can earn $6 just by drawing lines on top of images. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so by the end of this video you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing. But stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. We'll start with the tools that will help us with this strategy. The first website that we'll talk about can be accessed through clippingmagic.com. It is an online software that will remove the background of images with the aid of AI technology. Using the site would not require you any investment or payment, and you can open it with any type of devices, either through your phone or computer, which is also effortless to use. You can just drag an image to the workspace or click this upload image button. Let's give you an actual example with this photo right here. Once the upload is done, you'll see the image on the space. The next step is to click the green button. Dragging this through the screen will leave a green trail indicating the parts of the picture you wish to keep. Like this here, if you want to retain the subject, you just need to drag the green mark over the photo. The next step is to stain the portions you want to delete, much like what you did with the green one. This is very simple to do, and tracing over the section of the image will only take less than 30 seconds. Now for a second example, let us use this cup of coffee. You must draw green lines over the parts you wish to keep and red lines on those you want to remove. These marks will let the system know what to do. You'll be free to draw over the image simply. You can even trace the corners of the image to do it much more manageable. Once you're satisfied with your work, click this button and the software will automatically remove the sections you wish to discard. Those parts will then be replaced with a transparent background. And then you can tick the download button to save this new photo to your device. With this one image here, you can earn easy money depending on how much you charge. Up next is a website that's even better than Clipping Magic. It's called remove.bg, and it will remove the background of any image, 100% automatic and free. You can also choose to change the background into different sceneries. All of these can be done within 5 seconds and just a few clicks. You just have to select an image and then wait a few seconds for the upload to be complete. And finally, with just one click of a button, the website will remove the background automatically. We can try this with this picture of a cup of coffee again. Unlike Clipping Magic, you don't have to draw lines or markings over the image. We highly recommend this alternative platform because all you have to do is click one button, and you're done. You can even download the resulting photo in a higher quality format. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Now that we're done with background removal, we can now proceed with making money from this basic task. We'll start with guru.com, a website for freelancers and for people that need specific services. If you type in the words background removal, you can actually see a lot of people that are selling this service. At the same time, tons of clients are looking for individuals who can remove things from their images. At guru.com, you can earn up to $40 per day, depending on how much you charge per photo. But also keep in mind that you have this advantage wherever you are in the world, because this website accepts freelancers from any country, just as Bangladesh, Nigeria, the Philippines, Romania, Ukraine, the United Kingdom, and of course, the United States. As a bonus, there's this last website that we'd like to introduce with you. We're sure that you've heard or are already familiar with peopleperhour.com. And just like guru.com, you'll be offering your background removing services to clients that need them. You'll assist people with their photo editing needs, and every time you do this, you can earn $5. And you won't be needing any graphic design skills because these tasks can be done so easily, just as we've shown you earlier. With the right tools in your arsenal, you can get it done under 30 seconds. And with websites like People Per Hour, you can simply generate $50 again and again. Remember that freelancers set varying amounts for this work, and you can do that too. However, since you are a beginner, we recommend that you start at a lower price. This can also help you attract more clients. Just imagine how much money you can earn just by removing and changing the backgrounds from pictures. If you can do 20 photos a day, you'll have a sum of $100. You can even extend it up to 50 images because it is such an easy task. You will be earning hundreds of dollars every day with this money-making method. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as a guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.